Dear parents, it gives me immense pleasure to introduce our guest speaker for the day, Dr. Imran Nurani, who is the Chief Psychologist at Child Development Clinic, Center for Developmental and Behavioral Pediatrics, Sir Ganga Ram Hospital, New Delhi. He has many international research publications to his name. He has written numerous articles, conducted workshops, training programs, and his specialized areas of interest include autism and learning disorders. His list of achievements is exhaustive, and I'm sure we are going to take away a lot from this enlightening session. Dr. Imran Nurani.
Daily, flexible, and consistent daily routine for them. At the age of 3 years or 4 years, the child is not able to understand that what is expected from them. Unless and until you can create some visual tools, it takes effort. It takes effort on part of a parent to do it, but it doesn't take an effort for a lifetime. It is like one weekend or 2 weekends, you pick up the paper, you pick up the sheet, make a visual schedule for the child that this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. These are the activities. You can break down the day in chunks. For example, early morning, afternoon, evening, and late evening. And when you click the pictures, what the child is doing for a day, and reinforce if he or she follows the same with the structure, definitely you are not going to miss any of the opportunities to interact and work yourself through as well. There is a concept which is called self-care. Only you can take care of your family and you can take care of your young ones when you take care of yourself first. Please make yourself a priority, because I have seen a lot of young parents in the pandemic who have been given multitask. They have to manage so many things together, and yet nobody listens to them. So it's always better, rather than depending on others to listen to you, make an effort to listen to yourself. It's like positive self-talk is something which is very, very important for you. When you are sitting with yourself, encourage yourself what you are doing right now, because it is a very difficult situation for parents, and you must congratulate yourself that you have been pulling it through. And finally, something which is called authoritative parenting. Don't be a permissive parent. What does a permissive parent do? They will not be engaging with the child at all. They will be giving a mobile or an iPad and going out for their own things and doing right. For example, he's throwing tantrums. He's not sitting at a place. Always remember that you need to say the behavior that you want. For example, instead of saying that, why did you put all the toys aside? It's always better to use the word, please put your toys away. It is all in the delivery. If you are aggressive, if you are irritated, the same will be reciprocated by your kids and young ones. And never, as I told you, that never miss an opportunity for praising your kids, because you have to create a daily, flexible, and consistent daily routine for them.